Ang wish ko ay
Wish you are here.
I wish all the best for
Where's your here?
Sandali lang, pakinggan mo natin yung wish
Thank you so much.
Ang wish ko lang is all health. And because that is the most important for our life.
At saka, meron po bang plano? More dito? Sa mga tao dito?
Lalo siya nag-context.
I'm very, very happy. All of you enjoy my second exam.
Kasi
And I'm wishing for my 19th birthday. More years to come, more 50 years to come. Because we want our music to stay here always, all the time until we end po. Talaga ng mundo. Ng buhay namin. Ang sarap dito, ang ganda rito. Tama po ba? Hindi. Kasi natin kay Ate Dalia. Hindi natin nalubusan tayo ngayon lahat. Siyempre, happy ako na ano ko talaga to para all of you will come and I can see you all. Yes. It's only way to see you because I'm very busy. Lola. Oh, by the way, Ate Dalia has one daughter, right? We would like to acknowledge that you have a daughter with Mga kaibigan, please call the daughter po ng ating CEO of our music place. We want to know her now. We want to see her, how beautiful she is. Nagagaling po sa ating napakagandang Manang Dalia, di ba? Kaya hingian po natin siya ng message po. Dahil po natin po Ladies and gentlemen, ito na po yung daughter! Nag-iisa! My mother, my bottom! Her name is Farah! Yes! Palakpakan pa natin. So Farah, you want to say something for a beautiful mom like you?
I can't just say one thing. There's like 1,000 things I could say. But I think all of you know how wonderful my mother is, how strong, how beautiful, how generous, how sexy, and very multi-talented. And I think behind every strong Filipino woman, there's an even stronger Filipino woman, and that is my mother. Thank you for everything. I say that on behalf of all the lives you have touched. I think so many of us owe a lot to you, and I think that goes for the next generations too, because you were just